cook today chicken fillet. Okay, before we cook fish fillet, and now also we will cook today chicken fillet. Okay, and first we will marinate first, same the fish fillet before that we cook. Okay, first we will have the chicken fillet. Okay, and we will put garlic. We'll mix the garlic. Okay, this is a garlic, and we will add ginger. I'm adding ginger. Okay, but I don't know about the other way for other chef or cooker, but me, I will add the garlic, this ginger. Okay, and we will add also onion. This is onion, and we will add lemon for marination. Half of lemon, just squeeze it like this. Okay, and we will add ground black pepper, this one, and we will add also salt, of course, depends upon your taste. Okay, and we will add, the last is cumin. This, that's all, and we will mix it all together, and we will marinate it within 1 hour or 2 hours, like that, up to you. Because if we will marinate the long time, more delicious the chicken fillet. Okay, so we'll mix it and marinate it for 1 or 2 hours. Okay, hello. This is the marination for chicken fillet. Okay, we marinated within almost 1 hour, 1.5 hours. Okay, this is the one, and we will fry it now. We have this egg. Okay, we will add egg with fresh milk. Okay, like this. And we have this flour, white flour. We need to put breadcrumbs on it. Same the marination of fish fillet, but have other, I added the ingredients. Okay, and then we will mix it this one.
Good job.
We'll mix it.
Good job.
Or we can make it with by the hand. Like this. The flour, white flour, and the breadcrumbs. And this egg, we need to mix it like this, so that it will mix it with the fresh milk. This. Okay. Now, we'll put the chicken fillet now, and here, and breadcrumb with the white flour, and put it here. Okay, and we will put it back again here, but we need to press it like this, so that the breadcrumbs and flour. We'll put it all like this. Okay? And we'll put it in other plate. We'll put it in other plate. Put it here. And we'll make it again with other. Okay. Put it again back here.
This one? Baba! Baba! And this one?
This is all what we will do until it will finish all the wrap or the chicken. And where we will fry it now. Now we will cook it now. I put it already the cooking oil. Okay. And one by one we will cook it like this. We'll fry it now. We'll cook it with a low fire so that it will not burn. Chicken fillet now is cooked already. Okay. And we will serve it now. We'll put it in the bowl. Here's now the chicken fillet done already. As you can see, it's look like delicious, but actually it's delicious. So thank you again for today for watching my video on how to cook chicken fillet. Thank you so much, and God bless. God bless. Bye.